Hello and welcome. In this short video, I'll be walking you through what a Hoyer lift is so that you feel calm, confident, and comfortable for your next appointment with us. Let's begin. A Hoyer lift is a piece of medical equipment designed to keep you off your feet and avoid physical strain, or when you want to minimize your risk of falling. The Hoyer sling supports your weight and keeps you off the ground under the supervision of at least 2 trained staff members. Don't worry, you will never be left unattended during your usage of the Hoyer. We will provide attentive care every step of the way. Before using the lift, our team will explain the transfer process and ensure that the lift is prepared specifically for you. Here's what a typical transfer looks like. First, you'll be asked to lean forward slightly in your seat so the sling can be placed behind you. Next, your legs will be lifted up one at a time so the leg straps can slide under your knees and around your hips so they cross in the middle. At this point, you'll be asked to lean back again. The body of the Hoyer will be placed in front of you. Our team will ensure that the brakes are on before lowering the boom. The gray beam on the Hoyer to your shoulder level. All of the sling straps will be then attached to either side of the boom according to the color. You will be asked to cross your arms as the Hoyer hoists up the sling out of your chair. Then we will rotate the Hoyer so you're suspended a few inches above the middle of the exam table. Once the Hoyer is secured in place again, it will promptly and gently lower you onto the table and the sling will be removed from the body of the Hoyer. After your scan, you'll be transferred from the exam table back to your chair. The process will look very similar to what I've just described, but we will be sure to explain each step to you ahead of time. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Hoyer lift. We hope that this information relieves any apprehensions you might be feeling about your appointment. Your care is everything to us, and we will never cut corners when it comes to your safety. We look forward to seeing you when you come in.